Welcome back to How to or Do. In this part of our ChatGPT course, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills when using AI, feeding ChatGPT with data. We'll understand why data matters, do a real task together, and learn the golden rules for giving ChatGPT the right information. Data matters because ChatGPT generates its answers based on the information you give it. The better and clearer your data, the more accurate, relevant, and useful your answers will be. Let's think, why is it important to feed ChatGPT with data? Pause for 3 seconds, on-screen timer counts down. Correct answer, because it provides the context and background information needed to generate accurate and relevant responses. Now, let's bring this into practice. Here's task 1 on the screen. You'll see a statement with missing words. Your job is to fill in the blanks correctly. Take a moment to think before I reveal the answer. And the correct answers are number 1, suggest. Number 2, note. Number 3, specific recipe. Now, let's see ChatGPT generating the answer for us. ChatGPT has now generated the answer. It suggests making a delicious vegetarian sandwich by layering fresh, crisp lettuce, thinly sliced tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, creamy avocado slices, and a spread of hummus between 2 slices of lightly toasted whole grain bread. It also reminds us to ensure the bread is fresh or toasted and to balance the flavors and textures for a satisfying bite. Why is providing ChatGPT with background knowledge better for generating marketing ideas? Answer: it sets ChatGPT up to generate more relevant and tailored marketing ideas by providing a clear understanding of the product, target audience, and unique selling points. Here are some important rules when feeding ChatGPT with data. Always start with context. Explain your task and what you need clearly. Include relevant facts. Give numbers, examples, and details that matter. Use specific terminology. If your topic has industry terms, mention them. State constraints, for example, time limits, formats, or tone of voice. Update context regularly, especially for ongoing projects. So if you are planning to continuously work on your eco-friendly water bottle marketing campaign, what should you do at the beginning of each ChatGPT session? Answer: restate key points and provide necessary context. In short, ChatGPT works best when you give it the right starting point. Think of it like a chef. If you give them the best ingredients and a clear recipe, you'll get the perfect dish. If you give no ingredients or unclear instructions, the result won't be what you wanted. So always remember, data is the fuel for Chat's creativity and accuracy. In our next part, we'll take this knowledge even further with more advanced tasks. This is How to or Do, and I'll see you in the next lesson.